Hey guys, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. For today's video, I'm going to create the look from this palette right here. This is the Morphe 35XO. It looks like this inside. There's a lot of warm colors, pink colors, frosted colors. The theme here is very pink. I know many of you guys have this palette already. It's been a while since Morphe released this palette. I am late, yes. But it's a great time to create a look from this palette because I know a lot of you got it from the Black Friday sale, or maybe you're still thinking if you're gonna get this palette for the holidays. It is actually pretty festive. I love the colors and it's screaming celebration. If you don't have this palette yet, Ulta is having a 20% off sale. Grab that opportunity. If you guys already have this and you're looking for ideas to use the palette, or if you're still thinking to grab this palette, I'm gonna show you guys how to use this palette and maybe that's gonna make up your mind. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned. I am going to swatch some of the colors. Forgive me if I don't swatch all the colors. It's 35 colors. These are the metallic shades from the first row. The ones underneath. I'm gonna swatch this because it's so beautiful. Okay, beautiful swatches, and it went so smoothly. This is the good Morphe formula. Then I'm gonna swatch the colors that I use from this palette. Eye Contact. I also use Let's Snuggle, Charmer, Matchmaker, Kiss Me. These are the 5 shades that I use today. So first is Eye Contact. Next is Snuggle Me. Next is Matchmaker, another matte shade. This one is Charmer. This one is Matchmaker, and the last shade is Kiss Me. Kiss Me is more on a topper. Oh, and I also use Crushing Hard, the glitter shade. I'm gonna prep my eyes with MAC Paint Pot Soft Ochre. First, I'm going to get this color right here. It is Eye Contact. So this is gonna be my transition shade. Alright, next I'm gonna get the shade right here. It's called Snuggle. Now I'm gonna blend it. Then I'm gonna get a clean brush to blend the edges of Snuggle, the brown shade. I'm also gonna put Snuggle under my eye. Next, I'm gonna pick up a darker shade. This one is Charmer. I'm gonna put that right on top of Snuggle. But I'm gonna keep it under Snuggle. It's just going to add depth. I'm also gonna add a little bit under my eye, closer to my lash line. Oh, this Charmer shade is really nice. Blending beautifully. I'm gonna get the clean blending brush and blend. Okay, I'm gonna get this packer brush. This one is from Nabla N204. I'm gonna get this shade right here. It's called Matchmaker. I'm gonna put that at the center of my lid where I purposely didn't put eyeshadow. So put it at the center and then blend it with the darker shade. I'm also gonna bring that up. I went back to my first brush. I'm going to blend under eye. Maybe get a little bit more of that pink shade. Blend it, the browns under my eye. Like so. I'm going to use my Give Me Glow Harder. This one is Glitter Shadow Primer. Put it right at the center. And I'm going to put just a little bit. And then I'm gonna get the shade right here, Kiss Me. So I extended it right here on top so it illuminates and give me that shine and illumination that I want to create. It looks so pretty. I'm also gonna put same shade, Kiss Me, right in the inner corner of my eye. Just for fun, I'm gonna put a little bit of the glitters, Crushing Hard, just right here at the center. Just a little bit, just a little bit of twinkle. All right, I'm happy. Next, I'm gonna use brown eyeliner. This one is from LA Girl. It's very affordable. This one is Lasting Brown. I'm gonna put this in my waterline and tight line as well. Mission aboard, I'm gonna use a liquid liner. This one is Benefit Roller Liner Eyeliner. This one is in brown, and I love this one. It's just a formula and how it glides. See that? That was easy. All right, now I'm gonna put some mascara. Next, I'm gonna use KKW Beauty Brightening Powder. Next is Morphe Brow Setting Gel. For my bronzer, I'm gonna use the Morphe Megastar Glamabronzer. And then I'm gonna use Sonia Kashuk. Alright guys, so this is it with the lashes on. I used the Ardell individual lashes. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to do something special. So I'm gonna use these. This is the first time I'm gonna use ELDRIDGE on my channel. I love this brand so much. I think her bullet lipsticks are the best formula. Inside the bag is a set. There are 3 products. So there is a lip gloss, the lipstick, and the lip liner. Her lipsticks are the best formula. They're called velvet lipsticks or velvet lips. This is what they look like. So velvety looking. It's almost annoying to use it because it is very pretty. To prime my lips, I use the Huda Beauty Silk Balm. This set is the Velvet Muse set. When I purchased this set, it is the most nude set that I could get. This is one of the splurges that I did on my birthday this year. Alright, so that's the lip liner, and this one is the star. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around. I actually want it just like this. I don't want to put the lip gloss, but I'm gonna swatch it. So the lip gloss goes like this. It's very smooth. It feels like it's not sticky at all. It feels like it's Silk Balm by Huda Beauty, but it feels like it's just a hydrating balm, and it has powerful pigment. Alright guys, so this is it for the look. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me.